y'all haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another fashion video today, man. Today, I got a big ass tee from, I forgot the name of this brand, but I got a big ass tee right here. Hope y'all can hear me. Hold up, I got y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So, as I was just saying, right, I got that big ass tee. I think it's called, I think the clothing brand was called Kicks Clothing, I think. So yeah, I got this tee like 2-3 weeks ago. It just came in today. Took a little minute. It's fine though. So I'm about to put this tee on for y'all. This tee came, like, this tee huge, boy. This tee huge, boy. Real oversized. I should have went with a small. But sometimes when I get oversized tees, they fit like, I don't know how to explain it. They just fit huge. So I go down to a small. But I should have got this one that small. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, basically got this too big. I don't like the way it sit on my sleeves either. So I'm about to show y'all how to make your tee a little cropped or whatever. I might crop it, but I don't know how. I don't know how I'm gonna crop it. So I'm just go with the flow for right now. So yeah, I'm gonna pick back up the camera when we showing y'all how to cut it. And we finna do that shit right now. Let's get it. So y'all, here's what this shirt look like on me. I'm well, like, it ain't fitting how I want it to fit. So this shit huge, boy. So I'm gonna show y'all how to carve y'all tees up. We gonna fit how y'all want it to fit. Y'all don't gotta do it my way, but the way I'm gonna do it is the way I like to do it. So I don't really care how y'all feel. But yeah. So I'll do one more last spin around in the tee. But yeah, but let's get straight to it. Yo, y'all, what's going on? We back. As y'all can see, about to start cutting this thing. So my whole process of going in there, like cutting a shirt, it ain't nothing too serious, not rocket science. Just cutting a shirt the way you want to cut it. So first thing I did, I traced the line with the scissors. I put it on there hard so I know I can see it. As y'all can see, y'all see the line. So I just cut it straight down, you feel me? It ain't that hard. I just traced the line, then went back down the line with the scissors, made sure my line was straight. So yeah, so that's how I did that for the sleeve. Hold on, I'm almost done cutting it, y'all, my fault. So yeah, y'all see how I got the little raw look on the ends of it? That's how I love for my shirts to kind of look. So y'all can see, we're taking the other sleeve, the end of the sleeve, to the other side of the sleeve to match it up to have them both at the same length, right? So make sure you get that lined up. And then you do the same thing as you did for the first sleeve. Hold on, I'm about to trace it, y'all. I think I'm about to trace it. I'm just making sure I'm getting it lined up, you feel me? So yeah, make sure you got that thing lined up. Take them scissors. Trace that line, man. Just trace the line. Just trace it. Make sure you put on that sleeve. Put that line on that sleeve hard with them scissors. Then just get the cutting, man. So, yeah. Hey, and don't mind my setup, by the way. I just had a tripod in the room. Didn't have nothing else to hold it. So, yeah. I just had to get the cutting. I had to move the shirt over because the tripod was in the way. And I know y'all can't see because of my big ass head, but we're going to get something figured out for y'all so y'all can see me cutting and other stuff. Y'all can see different angles. I'm going to get that figured out for y'all. So don't beat me up right now because we're going to fix it in the long run. So, yeah, we just finished cutting it up. I'm cutting slow like a kindergartner. Oh, my goodness. I feel like I was speed running this thing when I was like just doing it. But now that I'm like looking at me do it, it's crazy. I'm going slow. But yeah, make sure y'all take your time. Don't be in a rush like me. Because when you in a rush, you mess up. But now you see you got the ends of your sleeves. You got them. You can either keep them or you can throw them away. And what I did was I just kept them. But I might throw them away because it's just a waste of space. But now we get to the bottom of the shirt. You got to flip it around. Just in case you got a design on the back, you don't want to cut your design off. So I did the same thing. My thought process for the back was stay the same. Like just stay the same, stay consistent in my cuts and my lines. So that's exactly what I did right here. I'm just measuring out where I want to cut it at. Just measuring out, making sure, do I want to cut half of the Glock magazine off or do I just want to keep it straight? So as y'all see, my first line was garbage. It was garbage. It was trash, y'all. Then my second line, it was even worse. So hey, I'm telling y'all, don't be like me. Make sure y'all get y'all line straight. But as y'all see, I did go back over it. Make sure that line was straight. You could barely see it like through the camera, but okay, there you go. It's kind of straight, but you said I had to go back over it, and then I messed it up. And I was like, you know what? Fuck it. Let ball. So, as y'all see, the line to the left is a little bigger. So, I just said, forget it. I'm going to just go straight to cutting. Y'all don't have to do that. Y'all can make sure y'all lines is perfect. But I just know I can trust myself with these scissors and my shirt. So, I just said, forget it. Let's go. So, I'm cutting. I got right to where I want to stop it at. Hold on, I think I'm going to get there. So I got right about there, and I stopped it. Now I eyeballed it. I was like, okay, yeah, that looked fine. That looked good to me. So I just flipped the side that I cut on the other side to make sure I have that line perfectly straight. I lined it up again, make sure I fixed everything to make sure it's good and ready to start cutting. So I just started cutting it, stay on that line. I think I'm about to start, yeah, there you go. Just stay on that line. But yeah, so after this, I made sure my line was straight on both sides. So I got to the part where I wanted to stop, eyeball it. See, there you go. Got to the part where I wanted to stop and eyeball it, make sure it was still straight. So then I didn't have that much left to cut. So you just know what I did. I just said snip. And that was it. So yeah. And that's the end of it. Y'all can keep the bottom of y'all's shirt if y'all want to. Y'all can put it on another garment of y'all's. Y'all can put it on another piece, as other people say. I don't know why I threw up that gang sign. I was just playing around. I'm just having fun, man. So yeah, we done cutting the shirt, man. And that's how I crop my tees for the summer. That's how I crop my Supreme tee. And my Supreme tee fits amazing on me, man. I love how that shirt fits on me. It's my favorite shirt. So I try to get all my shirts that style and that type of look. But as y'all see, in Glocks we trust. Yeah, my thumbs up was the wrong way at first, but I fixed it. Yeah, there you go. But all right, I'm going to catch y'all boys in the next clip. So y'all, we back, man. This is how the shirt look. The sleeve's kind of a little longer. But the sleeve's kind of still the same length, but I do like the little raw look on the edges, because when you put it in the washer, everything gonna roll up. See, it's already kind of rolling up right now, so put anything in the wash, everything gonna roll up. So I might cut it a little bit shorter, but this is the final look of the tee. So yeah, I think this will be the end of this video. I know it's a little short video today, but I told y'all every time I get a new piece and I want to design it the way I feel like it fits me the best, I'm gonna upload it for y'all. So that's the first thing I did when I got it. Started this video. So this video, as y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, was how to crop your shirts for the summer. So yeah, and that's exactly what we did. So I'm gonna pick back up the camera in the next video. I'm gonna catch y'all boys later. We out.